Hi everyone! Let's discuss today one of the most complicated topics in the Russian language, our cases. I'm gonna give you 20 propositions that always take the genitive case. It means that in 100% of the cases, when you see one of these 20 propositions, you'll be using genitive case. It'll really help you if you don't know anything yet about the genitive case, about the situations, when you need to use it, and how to use it. My name is Alina, and I'm happy to be your Russian teacher here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget that I give individual lessons. You can contact me on Telegram, or you can book right away the lesson on my personal website. And now let's begin. As I said before, all the 20 Russian propositions that I'm gonna give you right now will be using the genitive case in 100% of the cases. You should understand that it doesn't happen all the time, because, for example, some of the propositions can be using a few different cases. Like, I think you're familiar with the prepositions v or na. They can be used in accusative case or prepositional, depending on the situations. In this video, I'm gonna give you only the prepositions that will be always using the genitive case. As we're talking about Russian cases, I'm happy to announce the launch of my course that I've been preparing for the past 2 months. Russian cases easier than ever. In the description of this video, you can find the link for this course on Udemy, and you can watch there a few free lectures. You can choose the one that you want to watch, and after that, you can decide if you want to buy the full course or not. But I'm sure you will like it, and you will get a lot of information and a lot of useful stuff from my course. First, you will get lifetime access to it. Also, you'll be able to download all the presentations that I'm using in my videos and all the videos in case you need to watch them somewhere where you don't have internet. Also, you will get a lot of practice quizzes where you need to choose the correct answer, and also assignments where you need to write the correct answer. As you can understand, these assignments, they are more complicated and they will give you more practice than just quizzes. Also, you will get the Google Sheets that I prepared for myself with all the 6 Russian cases, with the endings, with the situations, meanings, when we need to use them. It'll be really helpful anytime you want to know what case to use. You can just address to this table and you will know what endings to use and if you're correct using necessary case in some situation. And as a bonus, as an additional practice, you will get the access to my closed Telegram channel where you get even more practice. So even after finishing this course on Udemy, I won't leave you alone. I'll be always there for you, and you can always ask me any questions and I will answer your questions, plus I will give you a lot of practice after finishing the course. So like this, you'll be always practicing the cases and it won't let you to forget all the information that you learned during the course. Continue speaking about the genitive case. Also, there on Udemy, you can watch the free lecture about the genitive case, about the endings for nouns and pronouns in the singular form. Like this, you'll be able to know the endings of our nouns, how we change our words when we need to use genitive case. And as I said before, after all the 20 prepositions that I'm gonna give you right now, you'll be always using genitive case. So you will know what form to use. And now let's finally begin with the prepositions. The first preposition is без. Без, and the example that we can use here, я не могу жить без тебя. Я не могу жить без тебя. Here, for additional practice, you can even try to create your own sentences using these prepositions, and you can write in the comments a few of your sentences, and I will check your examples if they are correct or not. The second one is вдоль. Мы любим гулять вдоль берега. The next one is вместо. Ты сделаешь уборку вместо меня? Pay attention to these prepositions because a little bit later we will have something very similar. But this one, вместо, always means instead of someone. Number 4. Во время. Во время перерыва они немного отдохнули. Don't mix this one up with another very similar word, вовремя. Вовремя, it'll be like one word, and here you have во время. You see, the stress is different and the meaning is different. Во время, this one is just during. But if you say вовремя, like прийти вовремя, it means to arrive or to be on time. Number 5 is возле. Мы живем возле реки. Then вокруг. У меня огромный сад вокруг дома. Number 7. В течение. В течение 5 минут мне нужно закончить работу. You see, we change by cases, even numbers. I didn't say в течение 5 минут. I said в течение 5. So 5 I put in the genitive case. The next one – для. Это подарок для моего парня. Number 9 – до. Мне нужно успеть поесть до урока. Мне нужно успеть поесть до урока. Number 10 is. Я из России. The next one – из-за. Из-за плохой погоды мы не пошли гулять. Number 12. Кроме. На этой вечеринке я не знаю никого, кроме моей подруги. Then мимо. Он прошел мимо меня. The next one – напротив. Моя сестра живет напротив аптеки. The next one is около. Мы живем около магазина. Number 16 – от. Я вернулась от друзей поздно. The next one – после. После работы мне нужно зайти в магазин. Number 18. Ты сделаешь это ради меня. The next one – среди. Среди моих студентов очень много американцев. And the last one – у. Я дома у родителей. Я дома у родителей. That's it. I hope it was helpful and you learned a few new things in Russian in this lesson. And I hope that you found it very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.